Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about comparisons test. So now I want to show you how to answer. We see that the domain of this one, that is about from e to positive infinity. That's it from here. So that means L and S always greater than or equals to number 1, because if I put E gone here, we have number 1. If S approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. That's why this one is greater than or equals to number 1. Later that, we multiply both sides by e to the power of s, L and s. Next, I will put this one go to the right, this one go to the left, and we have like this. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. And this one equals to this one in here. Now we need to find this integration. So we can put about the limit for a approach to positive infinity, and we have the integration from e to infinity, and this one we can change by e to the power of negative s ds. So the integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative s, and I will put the bounds from e to a. Now I will put a cone here, e cone here. So this one, that is about 1 over e to the power of a. When a approach to positive infinity, e to the power of a will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And now we have 0 plus e to the power of negative e. So we find the exact value of this integration. That means this one is about convergent. And we know that if this one is convergent, so this one should be about convergent in here. Based on comparison test. This is the end. Thank you for watching.